In today's video, we will see how to list Okta suspended users using users API collection in Postman. To complete this tutorial, you will need an Okta tenant and the Postman API platform. It is recommended to try those steps in a test environment first. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Okta Postman collection page and click the Run in Postman button next to the users collection. This will open Postman and ask which workspace to import the collection to. Choose a workspace and click the Import button. After the import, the user's API collection should appear in the left sidebar of the Postman app. Next, set up the environment by following the steps mentioned in the article in the description. Prepare the Any of the List Users with a Filter API call. On the params page, change the filter parameter to status EQ suspended, and if the results surpass 25 users, uncheck the limit parameter and click Send. The response received will be a 200 OK, along with all the data. Click on Save Response to a file. It will download a JSON file. Use a desired third-party tool to convert the JSON to a CSV file. Thank you for watching. Check out our Okta support playlist for more. We encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.